Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make cloves and hibiscus hairspray. This is a very powerful combination and you don't want to miss all that I'm going to be saying about these two powerful herbs. But before we go right into today's video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that each time I put up a video you'll be notified. So let's jump right into today's video. What I have here is hibiscus, and hibiscus is a very good herb. It promotes hair growth, and one thing I love about hibiscus is the conditioning properties. I'm going to tell you a lot more about hibiscus later on. So my next ingredient is going to be cloves. Cloves is rich in what we call beta carotene, which boosts the tissue under our scalp and also allows for easy blood flow. So in other words, you can say clove helps with blood circulation, and it also adds shine to your hair. It promotes hair growth, it fights scalp irritation, it gets rid of dandruff, and a whole lot more I will be talking about as we move on in today's video. So what I'm doing, I'm going to put in some boiled hot water into my hibiscus and cloves, and I'm going to let it sit for an hour just to get the benefits of these herbs into my water. So guys, hibiscus also prevents premature graying and also produces a protein called keratin, which helps our hair to be less prone to breakage. Here it is guys, the whole thing has soaked right into the water and we have a very potent mixture here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sieve this to get the tea out of it. Then I'll transfer into my spray bottle. Make sure when you use clove on your hair, you should always seal it with an oil or hair butter, because that's the reason why most people say cloves dry their hair out, because they just use cloves on their hair and they don't seal it with an oil or hair butter. Just like putting water on your hair and not sealing it with probably an oil or hair butter, it's going to dry off. Definitely is going to dry off, and this is not a treatment you should be using every day. Just like every good product out there, if you don't use it properly and in the right way, you are not going to see a good result. That's why I'm mixing cloves and hibiscus, because while cloves is giving strength to my hair follicles, the hibiscus is also giving it a conditioning effect, and I'm also adding vitamin E to help me to preserve it for a long period of time, and also glycerin into this mixture, because we know glycerin is a humectant, so it's going to just help me with attracting moisture from the atmosphere. So if you're looking to grow your hair fast and also strengthen your hair follicles, then these herbs are for you. But make sure to always seal it with an oil or a butter to reduce the drying effect. If you still have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so. Subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, also turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.